To view your call log on Spectrum Mobile, the most efficient method is through the Spectrum Mobile app. First, ensure you've downloaded the app and logged in with your Spectrum account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the menu, typically represented by a hamburger icon in the app. Then select either Usage or Account from the menu options. Within this section, you'll find the Call History tab, where you can access your call logs. Here, you can view detailed records of incoming, outgoing, and missed calls with timestamps, durations, and contact names. The app allows filters to sort by date, contact, or call type. It also includes real-time updates for 5G calls and end-to-end encryption for privacy. Beyond call logs, the Spectrum mobile app serves as your central hub for all billing details and account management. Within the same account or usage section, you can easily switch to the Billing tab. Here, you'll find comprehensive itemized billing, which breaks down all charges per call or data session, your total data usage, and a full payment history. The app facilitates convenience by offering options to download PDF versions of your invoices, receive payment reminders, and manage auto pay settings. Recent app enhancements mean it now seamlessly integrates with Charter's broader ecosystem, allowing for a unified view of your mobile, home internet, and TV usage, reflecting a push for simplified, unified billing. This integration, along with robust data privacy measures compliant with GDPR and CCPA, ensures transparency and user control. Industry experts like Craig Moffett praise Spectrum Mobile's app for its user-friendly billing, blending simplicity with detailed insights. Looking ahead, Spectrum is aligning with industry trends by piloting AI chatbots within the app to help users query billing issues, aiming for a full rollout by 2026.